Stillborn by Rodney Holmes. Mental diary. As the world I knew became a haze of golden ether, I etched the words of Dr. Felonious Dewey in my memory. I had to strain over the hiss of the machines sending me to now. He said over the sudden rack of a helionic pulse wave, culture shock is a bitch. I am now here, nearly 8 centuries before my birth, and should my mission succeed, this will be the place of my death. On a park bench in the middle of a cool autumn afternoon, Taryn Los sat, stared, and ruminated. The air was clean. The sky was clear. There were actual trees with real leaves covered with authentic bark. That's what they called it, right? She wanted to ask, but didn't want to attract attention to herself. The future depended on it. 2021 AD, she whispered. That was the year. The actual date was October 3rd, 2021 AD. What did AD stand for? She didn't take enough history to know. And really, what did such trivialities matter now? It was a matter of weeks at best. Her left hand wiggled. Her lean face began contorting. Lips pursed, then quivered, brows furrowed. Within moments, the convulsions gripped her, rolling her with pain. She breathed hard, more panting rather than exhaling. A few passers-by gave a look at the rail-thin, gawky black woman with a frizzy mane dancing wildly, but none would stop to help. Not that they could. Nor had anyone asked if she was all right, which she wasn't. Her daily torment ended as quickly as it began. She leaned hard. The flimsy overcoat, rumpled with nylon stocking, through the planks of the bench. She heaved still, but she collected herself slowly. The attack was unexpected and more painful. When she was certain she was no longer watched, nor glared at with contempt, what soullessness in this era. She took a needle-thin metal stick from a solid metal case in her jacket pocket. With it, she pricked her left thumb. The rush made her widen her eyes for less than a second. A flooding of millions of micro-nanites through her body via the bloodstream began the increasingly futile task of keeping Crumb's disease at bay. She breathed hard, the jolt wearing off. Her eyes saw all red, then deep green. Then autumn was just that. She had less than 10 left, famished and emaciated in spirit. Taryn walked out of the park. She had someone to kill. Mental diary. This time, this part of the human story has been shrouded in half-truths and blanket myths. The readings of history, cobbled from recording devices called TV and computers, portray a world of technological advancement. Nothing is further from the truth. These people are just slightly above stupid. Outliers are few, but collectively, even one such as I, for I'm no intellectual giant, can surpass them. Their music is crude and rudderless.